Okay. No. Cooper, let Olivia give it to you. And tell him, sing him happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Are you singing happy birthday to Cooper?
Happy birthday to Bella. Get some water, Bella. Get some water.
She needs water? You gonna sing to her?
Happy birthday to Bella.
I want you to sing the whole song. It's just Cooper's birthday, not Bella's.
Happy birthday to Bella Cooper. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. He's eating it. It's a special treat.
He's eating a special treat?
Look, like that.
Oh, he likes it.
It's bold.
Happy birthday, Cooper.
Happy birthday, Cooper.
You know how old Cooper is?
Yeah.
He's 11 years old.
Yeah. Cooper. Here.
He likes it.
He likes it. He likes it when I feed him.
He does.
It's baby. Happy birthday, Cooper. He says listen.
He's got to chew it all up and swallow, just like you do,
Can I do?
before you eat more.
Where's Bella go?
I don't know. Okay, say bye-bye to the camera.
Bye-bye.